Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making Tortilla Pepperoni Pizza. This is something that's real quick and easy, and it'll work great for a snack for the kids, for a party, or even for the game. So let's get this going and see what we're going to need. First of all, we're going to be making 4 of them, so we'll need 4 tortillas, and then 8 tablespoons of pizza sauce, and 2 cups of pizza blend cheese, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, and we're going to go with the pack of pepperoni, because depending on how much you like to put on your pizza. So let's get this going, see how it all turns out, and we'll see you here shortly as we get this going. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is put our 2 tortillas down here on the on our baking sheet, and got the oven preheated to 350, and we'll go with 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce on here. So get your favorite pizza sauce, and we'll just spread this around. Alright, so we'll get that spread around on this one. Alright, so there we go. We'll just put that back in there. We got to fill for about a half a cup of cheese on here. Be alright for a little off. One can be a little short. Alright, then we'll just take the Italian seasoning and sprinkle that on there to add a little bit more flavor to it. Now we take our tortillas here and just kind of throw these on here like so. There you go. Alright guys, there we go as far as our pizza. Now we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. So we'll put these in here, and I'll get the other ones prepared for when we get these out and going. So I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay guys, we got the pizzas out of the oven. This is 12 minutes and they turned out real good. Pan's still just a little hot, but what we're going to do now is we are going to cut these into pieces. Just the 1.5 and then the other way. And then we will set these over on the board here. Okay, and cut in half, and then cut in half. Alright, and then put it on our little tray here. And for the other two, put these in on here. And put them in for 12 minutes at 350. So see you guys here in another 12 minutes. Okay guys, we'll let these cool just a little bit so they're taste easier to handle. So let's go ahead and give these a taste test. I just pulled the other ones out of the oven, and letting them cool before I cut them up. So let's go ahead and give these a taste test and see how this went. So here we go. That is good. Okay guys, this was tasting great. But this was the pepperoni pizza, tortilla pizza, or tortilla pepperoni pizza, however you want to say it. But tastes really good. Works great for a party, for game night, or a snack for the kids. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try for your next game night. Give it a try for your next party. And I'm sure the kids will like it, and I'm sure the adults will like it as well. So, hey, well, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I enjoy reading those comments. And, well guys, I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. And I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to finish eating these up and go on about the things I need to do today. Alright, well, see you guys later.